Hey everybody, Chris here, and it is the holiday season. I love this time of year, and I love the treats that come with this time of year. We're gonna make a really delicious, vegan, grain-free, dairy-free holiday brittle. It's very, very easy, super delicious, and I think whoever you make it for is really gonna love it. For some of the texture inside this brittle, I'm going to use a few crunchy things. We have these coconut chips, and all of this stuff, none of it is sponsored. This is just what I'm using. These pretzels, grain-free, they are actually really, really delicious. And then just some lightly salted almonds. Candy making is tricky business already, but once you start swapping in dairy-free ingredients for butter and cream, it can be even a little more so. Get a candy thermometer. You need to know what temperature it is, otherwise it'll be too hard, too soft, all that business. Whether you're vegan or dairy-free or anything like that, I bet you know somebody who is. And they also like treats. So you can make this for them, you can make it for yourself, for your family. We hope you enjoy it. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Make it for somebody that you care about. Take care.